The beautiful island of Indonesia is the largest island in the world with about 17,000 islands. Its capital city is Jakarta and their economy is the largest in Southeast Asia. Beaches, nature and rich cultural heritage of this country attract millions of tourists, thus contributing largely to the country's GDP. Indonesia has a mixed economy where government and private sectors have equal contributions towards the GDP. Its GDP rank is 16th and 7th in nominal and PPP respectively on as per the International Monetary Fund Standards, 2018. It has the 56th freest economy in 2019 index. Their overall score has gone up by 1.6 points while the judicial system has been strengthened and the levels of business and investment freedom have been increased. The government has taken several measures such as handling corruption, developing infrastructure, improving power, etc. to develop the business environment of the nation so they can attract foreign investment. Indonesian administration has taken several more steps to preserve the environment and nature to strengthen tourism, which is an important part of their GDP. Some of the problems that their economy face are an obstinate labor market, protectionist rules that administer the foreign investment and extractive industry, loopholes in several legal areas and subsidies granted to several enterprises owned by the state. Industries. Agriculture is an important part of the Indonesia economy, employing millions of people. Some of the main commodities are cocoa, rice, coffee, cassava, peanuts and natural rubber. Presently Indonesia ranks second in the world after China in the production of tin. Other minerals that it produces are silver, bauxite, nickel, copper and gold. It also ranks third in the world in the production of coal. The automotive industry in Indonesia employs millions of workers. The domestic market is dominated by companies like Toyota, Daihatsu and Mitsubishi for cars, while Honda and Yamaha lead the market for motor vehicles. The Indonesians produced around 1.2 million motor vehicles in 2017, ranking 18th in the world. The nation also has millions of small businesses, several people engaged in real estate and finance. Another industry that is on the rise is the textile industry. This has attracted foreign investment from several countries. Rule of law. There prevails a respect for the property rights, but the execution is potholed and registering a property isn't an easy job. The government has lately reduced the transfer tax to smoothen the process of registration. There is still a lot of room for reformation. The judicial system is self-governing but is under the influence of corruption. The administration has taken several steps, yet corruption is widespread. There are several anti-corruption reforms that the government has put in place, but there is resistance not only from the people but the government itself. Indonesia present. January 2019 saw exports of Indonesia drop down by 4.70%. This was the third month continuously when the country experienced a decline in exports. This is especially because of the drop in sales of non-oil and gas products. Indonesia exports are forecasted to rise by 2020.